Most people give up too early. They stop when life gets tough, when success feels impossible. But remember, every great story you admire today began with struggle, rejection, and failure.
Thomas Edison, the man who gave us the light bulb, failed more than 1,000 times. People mocked him, called him foolish, but Edison said, "I did not fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." And today, every time we switch on a light, we witness the power of persistence.
J.K. Rowling, before Harry Potter, was a single mother struggling to pay rent. Her manuscript was rejected 12 times. But she didn't quit. The 13th publisher gave her a chance. And today, she is one of the most successful authors in history.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, born in a poor fishing family in Rameswaram, sold newspapers as a boy, but he dreamed big. Through discipline and education, he became India's missile man, and later, the people's president. His life proves your background doesn't define your future, your mindset does.
What do these stories teach us? That failure is not the opposite of success. It's the foundation of success. Edison, Rowling, Kalam, they all faced rejection, pain, and struggle. But they refused to quit.
Now it's your turn. Every rejection you face, every failure you endure, is shaping your future. The only way to lose is to give up.
Your story is still being written. Don't stop now. One day, the world will tell your story too. If this inspired you, share it and subscribe for more daily motivation. Remember, your best chapter is yet to come.